there's sometimes that we just like how we have stuff stored, and that's okay. But I do want to take everything out and wipe down this cabinet. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to take it from this to the same look, only a bit tidier. Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy Tuesday. In today's tiny tidy, I am going to be cleaning out yet another cabinet in my series, one cabinet at a time in my kitchen today, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Tiny tidy Tuesdays were created by my dear sweet friend Sunday Dawn of The Helpful Home, and I am going to link her channel in my description box below. We did tiny tidies for 3 years, and Sunday Dawn recently decided to move our collaborations to one time a month. So I am just gonna be doing tiny tidies here on my channel, but I will not link a playlist in my description box unless it happens to be the week that we are doing a collaboration. But I think I've said before, but I'm gonna say it again, sometimes a task can seem so overwhelming to me, so I like to break it down into more small, manageable tasks. That works well for me because I do have a chronic illness. I'm cleaning out the cabinets and drawers in my kitchen, and it just seems too much to do all in one day. So I can just break it down and do a cabinet here and a cabinet there. So I like to bring that motivation to you. Today, I do not think I'm going to have anything to declutter. I want to finish my upper cabinets before I move to my lower cabinets and drawers. So I do have one cabinet that has glasses. I'm just going to show you what that cabinet looks like. I am not going to take the glasses out, wipe it down, and put them back, just because I do not need to do that yet, and I'm leaving the liner in there. But the cabinet that I am going to focus on is the cabinet that I store my dishes in. Okay, so I still have the same dishes that we had on our wedding registry. And I think I have 12 of each, which I know is not very minimal, but I have the place to store it, so I continue to keep those. So I know I could probably part with some, but I am comfortable keeping those. As long as I have the storage, I'm going to keep it. But I do want to take the liner that I have in those cabinets out. So I am going to be taking everything down, wiping out the inside of the cabinets, and replacing with taking the liner out, wiping down the inside of those cabinets, and putting everything back in. I think I like how everything is, I think I like how I have everything placed in there, so I will be keeping it the same unless something changes. But anyway, I know our time is valuable, so let's start. So I just wanted to quickly show you, this is the cabinet that I am not going to do in this series, maybe another day, but this is what it looks like. I have all of my glasses in here, and I have the liner on it, and I like having the liner on the cabinets that I store my glasses on, because then I can store them upside down if I want to, and they do not move. So they actually do serve a really good purpose there. But another day I might do that, but I'm not going to be doing it in this series. Okay, so this is the cabinet we are doing today. I have my plates, bowls, all the things in this cabinet. But again, I do want to take the shelf liner out, so I'm going to go ahead and remove all of this stuff and see if we put it back just like it is.
Every step forward is another add-on to every break and fall. We need to stay strong.
I am not sure if I have a red spot on my head or not, but I was taking the stuff out and I moved my tripod and everything fell and I got hit in the head. Go figure. So weird. But I did want to show you everything that I do have in that cabinet. Again, I don't think I'm going to be decluttering anything at all, but I do have these plates, and I think they're like These are all green, but I have them in green, blue, and yellow. And like I said, we got these, and I've had these since before we got married, and I have the same in the salad plates, the same colors in the bowls. Some of the bowls are chipped a little bit from wear and tear, but I still really like these, so I don't see myself replacing our everyday dishes. And then again, the little dessert plates are the same, the blue, the green, and the yellow. So I will be putting all of this back in. I decided to store this with my plates as well. This is just like a little platter that we sometimes use like when we're entertaining, that kind of thing. And then the only other thing that I have left in this pattern that is not broken is this little dish. So I just had it up at the top. I have these two big bowls that I bought from Target. I think they were like less than $5 each, and they're nice and big and deep, and we use these on Monday nights when we have our salad nights. So I'm going to put those back in. This would be the only thing that I would be on the fence about. I love, my parents got these white square plates for me, and I have the bowls behind me as well, but I'm not going to grab those, and some mugs, and it was a set of 4, and they got them for Christmas for me one year. One broke, and so I decluttered all but 2 of each one. The only reason I'm keeping these is, well, is A, I have room to store them and I like them, but B, rarely do we have like a big meal where we have like a meat and a couple of sides and a piece of bread. But when we do, I really like to use these plates. Plus, if I do a cooking video, I love to plate my whatever I cook on these plates because it just looks better on camera. So I'm going to hold on to these as well. So today the only thing I will be decluttering are these liners, and I'm sure you could tell whenever I was taking out the dishes how the liners had just kind of like stuffed themselves up in there. So these are gonna hit the trash. So I am decluttering 4 things. So we could kind of call this a little bit of a declutter success. Again, I understand, I realize that I do not need 12 plates. I get that, but as long as I have room to store the 12 plates, I'm going to keep them. So that's just a choice that I made, because I do like I like to live somewhat minimal, but I pick and choose what I declutter and what I keep, and I'm definitely keeping these.
And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Where there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
Okay, so here is what it looks like now. Not much different. It just does not have that horrible liner inside. But at the top, I do have the platter and the little dish. And then on the next shelf down, I have the square plates with the bowls on top with our salad bowls right there. I thought about moving those to the top, but we do use the salad bowls once a week, so I decided that I wanted to keep it there. On this shelf, I have my bowls and my little dessert plates. And then on the bottom, I have my dinner plates and my salad plates. And it looks all nice and neat and tidy.
Throw it all at me. Spark hit the golden child.
I just want to thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me and helping me to do a simple little tiny tidy. I would like to know in the comments, do you take things out of your cabinets and wipe them down and put things back and just see if you have anything in there to declutter, or do you just always keep it in there? I'm just wondering, because I normally take everything out a couple of times a year and clean inside and put everything back. But I don't know what everybody else does. That's just kind of what I have always done. And I just would like to know what you guys did. And also let me know in the comments if you tidied anything along with me. I am gonna have to go and rest my head because honestly, that hurt so bad when my camera hit me right here in the forehead. I was not expecting it to hurt that much, but it really does hurt. So I'm gonna go rest my head and I am going to do some more tiny tidies today. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
We both know who is right through the screaming and the wild.